Hi, this is Luke, and this is using Superior Drummer 3's tracker for fast drum replacement. Toontrack's Superior Drummer 3 is packed full of world-class drum sounds, with the core library engineered by George Massenburg. But not only that, it also has a dedicated audio to MIDI function in the tracker tab that lets me augment or completely replace my own sounds with those from Superior Drummer 3. So I can go from small, boxy and uninvolving sounds to big, bright, ambient, world-class sounds very easily indeed. So the first thing I need to do is drop my original drum kit audio into the tracker. Toontrack recommends that you only drop the close mics into the tracker. And because I'm using my overheads, I'm using a specialist tool just to remove as much of those close mic sounds out of the overheads as possible. And now my drums are in the tracker, I can just go through and check that the triggers are doing what they should. And this kick straight away looks like it's doing exactly what it should be doing. And let's check out the tom. I need to raise this threshold up just to get rid of those false hits. Perfect. I've got a mix control as well, so I can reference my original file if I need to. So now I'm happy with my triggers, I can export those. I can either drop them directly into my DAW, or I can pull them into the song track in Superior Drummer 3 itself. In Superior Drummer 3's Mixer tab, I could, if I wanted to, route out to individual channels in my DAW. However, these are world-class sounds that don't need a lot of work, so I'm just going to use the faders in Superior Drummer 3 to get to the balance that I need. And what I'm loving from Superior Drummer 3 is this lovely real ambience recorded with the drums, which I certainly was not getting in my original sound. And I can have as little or as much as I like. Just loving that. So once again, let's listen to my original drums as recorded and then compare those with the world-class sounds that I'm getting out of Superior Drummer 3 using the tracker. To find out more about Superior Drummer 3, head over to the Production Expert blog.